This is Ian from Lean Media. I'm going to show you how to set up a strike-through sale price in Amazon Seller Central for the products that you're selling on Amazon. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So we are looking at the all inventory view of Amazon Seller Central. And basically what I want to do is I want to take this product right here and I want to set a sale price. It's currently at $25.95. I want to list it at $20.99. And there's a couple considerations here before we get started. So the first one is, let's take a look at what a sale price strike through looks like. So this is not my product, but you can see that the regular price, the list price for this product is $189.95. They set it up to be $129.99. So Amazon does two things. They strike through the regular price, and then on the detail page, they'll show the discount, 32%. So what I want to do is I want to take one of my products and do the same thing. Now, one thing you need to understand before you get started is oftentimes you might have variations of a single product. For instance, this is the FBM version of the product, and you can see that it's, I think it said that it was out of stock. Yeah, it says it's out of stock. So I don't want the FBM version. I want the FBA version. And here's the FBA version. So I'm going to set up a strike-through sale price from this particular page. I'm going to click the More Actions icon. It looks like 3 dots. Click on that and then select Edit Listing. And on the very first page you come to, it'll be the offer and you can make changes. So the sale start date, I'm going to start that tomorrow. And then the sale end date, I'm just going to make it the last day of the month. And usually what I do is I actually run sales on a month-by-month basis. And I'm going to show you something, a little tool that I use. I have a spreadsheet that I use basically to run sales every month. And you can see that I'm actually organizing it by the type of discount. So I have coupons in the first 2 columns, discounted product, that's the strike-through sale price. Then I have like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or Prime discounts, and then brand tailored promotions. So you can see that I'm doing 4 categories of discounts, and I change them up every month. I've only planned a couple months in advance. So I'm going to do tan, that's the nickname I have for this product. I'm going to do another one later on for red clay. So anyways, I know what that is. And then on this page, it's giving me an error message, even though I set up the date properly. I'm going to set the sale price to $20.99. Okay, and the error message went away. The dates are set up. And then at that point, all I need to do is go down and save and finish. Thanks for submitting your changes. If approved, changes will be reflected within 24 hours. So hopefully with tomorrow, I'm going to start seeing the sale price, not just the strike-through price, but also a percentage discount. So what is that, 4 out of 25? So that's going to be like a little bit less than 20%, I believe. But that's what I want, and hopefully it'll work out.